Alrighty, guys. So we are now jumping from lesson 6 to lesson 15. And guess what? All of these are kind of easy, to be honest with you. I think they're pretty easy. I think you think it's pretty easy too. So we're going to be doing lesson 15, and all we're doing today is shading the arrays that they're telling us to shade, plus writing repeated addition on the lines right next to our graph. This is kind of like a graph, okay? In a perfect world, this would be beautiful, straight, and organized, and probably Ms. Reem is going to be using a ruler to make her own. But guess what? We're not in a perfect world. So, sorry, Ms. Reem, this is probably like making you cringe, but I'm going to make it work. So, they're going to tell us to shade in rows and columns, and this is just to get you used to, and you're probably like, Miss Marcus, I'm so over the rows and columns, but this is just to get you used to knowing where is a row and where is a column. That's it, just getting you used to it. So, this one is telling you 3 rows of 5. So, rows go sideways. So I just need to start shading in 3 of them, okay? So, start at the top. And I'm not going to color each one of them because it's going to take me forever. But I'll probably just put a circle inside. But your job is to make sure that with your pencils, you're shading in, okay? And we're going to do pencils for now because they're easy to erase. Because you might do an extra one, or you might go into a column instead of a row. So just use a pencil, okay? And maybe in the future we can use crayons or color pencils. All right, so here I have my first row, and I've only done 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There's 1 row down. Next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I've done 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, each of 5. So guess what goes on the side? Our repeated addition sentence. And remember, if it says 3 rows, we make 3 lines. 3. And each one of them had 5. Add, and you can go up into your triangle. 5 plus 5 is 10. Bring up that addition problem, that addition sign. Don't forget about the last 5. 10 plus 5 more, 15. Easy peasy. And that's what you're going to do for each one of these problems. They're going to tell you 3 columns or 3 rows or 7 rows of 3. Whatever it is that they're asking you, you just have to shade in and write the addition problem. Okay? That's one part of the problem, of the problems that you'll be getting. The last ones, they think they're getting tricky, but in reality they're not. They will give you something that looks like this. They'll give you an array there. And this array has 2 rows of 4, has 2 rows of 4, and it's 4 columns of 1, 2. So whichever one you decide to use, okay? And they may ask you to draw another column, like in the problems we did before. You can just add it on this side, or you can add it on this side. whatever they ask you, you just draw it on there and write a new addition sentence. So for this one, now it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm adding these, and each one of them has 2. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Bring down the plus sign, bring down the 4, because 2 plus 2 is 4. Don't forget the last 2. Here, 4 plus 4 is 8. Bring down this plus sign, plus the 2, 8, 9, 10. My answer is 10. Okay, that's all you're going to be doing. All right, guys. I hope you had fun learning math today. All right, we'll see you